Hey, hi friends, welcome to this channel. Friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you. So friends, today in this video we are watching the modular wardrobe designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs with different colors, different size. So friends, if you like our designs or you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. So when we are making the modular wardrobe, we should know some benefits of the wardrobe. A modular wardrobe design offers numerous advantages that can help reduce clutter in your wardrobe and create a more organized and efficient space. So there are some several benefits, like first one is the customization. Modular wardrobe designs for bedrooms are highly customizable, allowing you to design the interior layout according to your specific needs and preference. You can choose different shelves, drawers, hanging rods, and accessories tailored to systematically accommodate your clothing, shoes, accessories, and other belongings. Another benefit is the space optimization. Modular wardrobe designs for small bedrooms are designed to maximize your available space. They can be fitted into any size or the shape of the room, including corners, nooks, and irregular areas. This optimization helps you use every inch efficiently, preventing wasted space and making room for more items without crowding the wardrobe. Another advantage is flexibility. As your storage needs change, modular wardrobe designs for smaller bedrooms can quickly adapt to accommodate those changes. You can add or remove shelves, drawers, and other components as required, ensuring your wardrobe remains organized even as your belongings evolve. Another advantage is accessible storage. With a modular wardrobe, you can design sections for different categories of clothing and accessories, such as pants, dress, shoes, and accessories. This division makes finding and accessing specific items easier, reducing the time spent through cluttered place. Another advantage, it enhances the organization. A modular bedroom wardrobe often a various organizers such as divider partitions and adjustable shelves. These features help keep items neatly separated, preventing them from getting tangled or mixed up, which is common in traditional wardrobe designs. Another advantage, the utilization of vertical space. Traditional wardrobes typically have a single hanging rod for clothing, limiting the vertical space. In contrast, modular wardrobe designs for bedrooms allow you to maximize the height of your storage area with multiple hanging rods, drawers, and shelf stack. So it not only increases the storage capacity but also reduce the clutter on the floor. Another advantage is aesthetic appeal. A modular bedroom wardrobe is designed to be visually appealing, and its clean modern lines can add an elegant touch to your bedroom or dressing area. Everything neatly organized and hidden behind doors makes the room look more pleasing and clutter free. Another advantage, it is easy to maintenance. Keeping a modular wardrobe clean and organized is more straightforward than traditional wardrobes. The design's efficient use of space and various organization features make it easier to tidy up and maintain the order, reducing the chances of clutter accumulation. Another advantage is movable and reusable. Modular bedroom wardrobe designs are often built as separate units that can be dismantled and moved. This flexibility allows you to take them with you if you relocate, ensuring that your organized wardrobe remains a part of your new living space. A modular wardrobe design offers various benefits that contribute to reducing the clutter and maintaining an organized and efficient storage solution for your clothes and accessories. Wardrobe is the best wooden wardrobe because they have some benefits like it is easy to maintain. Wooden wardrobe is more durable than a and in wooden wardrobe there are the lots of options to select like designs, colors, and wooden wardrobe is the most popular wardrobe where most of them use for their bedroom to store their items. The customizability, space optimization, flexibility, and improve the organization all contribute to making your wardrobe a more manageable and visually pleasing part of your living space. So this video will help you to select the best wardrobe for your wall house because there you can see I have uploaded the wardrobe design from small to big size with different color shades, and with the wardrobe your bedroom interior also will enhance. So friends, if you like my video then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much.